Today we will talk about Kiều Thanh, a famous actress who was born in Hanoi in 1981.
She grew up in Hanoi and originally planned to become a teacher to follow her family tradition.
Pedagogy is a noble career path, but her life took a very surprising direction in the year 1999.
In that year, she decided to apply to the Hanoi University of Theater and Film with a few close friends.
Surprisingly, she passed the difficult entrance exam and discovered her deep passion for the performing arts.
That unexpected event became a major turning point that completely changed her future personal and professional career path.
Directors noticed her very quickly because she had a sharp face and wonderful facial expressions in class.
It is very important for young actors to express strong emotions clearly without speaking too many words.
When she was only a second-year university student in 2001, she received a truly life-changing acting opportunity.
Director Du Thon Hai selected her for a memorable role in the hit television series Phia Truoc La Bao Troy.
She played the character Tra, a tragic girl who hid her complex internal feelings behind a reckless personality.
Although she was not one of the three main leads, her performance created a massive sensation among viewers.
That single famous debut role established her reputation and became an iconic symbol throughout her entire career.
It proves that even a secondary character can leave a lasting impression if the actor performs with genuine passion.
After achieving great success with her first role, she officially joined the Hanoi Drama Theater to perform live.
At the theater, she worked on stage plays and television dramas at the same time for many active years.
Directors frequently offered her challenging roles that featured strong personalities, complex fates, or sharp emotional conflicts.
Playing difficult roles requires continuous study, emotional patience, and dedication to understand every character deeply.
She starred in many famous works, such as the feature film Nghe, where she played a brave journalist.
She also participated in popular series like Ki Dan Chim Tro Vi, playing the role of a dedicated news reporter.
Her versatility as an actress allowed her to adapt quickly to different film genres and distinct directing styles.
Audiences always recognized her unique screen presence whenever she appeared in new television projects or theater plays.
In the year 2015, the Vietnamese state officially recognized her long dedication to the performing arts industry.
She was awarded the title of Meritorious Artist, which is a prestigious honor for talented actors and performers.
Receiving such a title shows that hard work and artistic commitment will always bring meaningful public respect.
However, after receiving this noble award, she stepped away from the screen to focus on her private family life.
Taking a personal break allows artists to refresh their minds and spend precious quality time with their loved ones.
It is normal to pause a career when personal life requires extra time, patience, and careful attention.
In 2019, after several quiet years away, she surprised her fans by accepting a return to television acting.
She played the sharp character Dung Con in the popular drama series Hoa Hong Tren Guk Trai.
Director Vu Truong Qua helped her bring out a strong, sharp, and convincing performance in this famous project.
Her return proved that genuine talent and acting instincts remain strong, even after taking a long personal hiatus.
Many fans were delighted to see her expressive face and powerful screen presence on television once again.
This drama marked her latest television appearance, leaving another unforgettable memory for her loyal audience.
Now let us review some very useful vocabulary words that appeared in this story about Kiều Thanh.
The word debut means the first public appearance of a performer, actor, or musician in their career.
For example, we can say her debut role in 2001 made her famous across the entire country.
The phrase turning point describes a time when an important change takes place in your life or career.
Passing the university exam in 1999 was a major turning point for her artistic future.
Another helpful phrase is hiatus, which means a period of time when something stops or takes a break.
She took a long hiatus to spend quality time with her family before returning to acting in 2019.
The adjective iconic describes something or someone that is very famous and represents a particular style or era.
Her character Tra is still considered an iconic television role in Vietnamese drama history.
We also use the word versatility, which refers to the ability to adapt to many different tasks or roles.
An actor with great versatility can easily play both positive heroes and complex villains convincingly.
Can you explain what the word dedication means when we discuss an artist's professional career?
Dedication means giving your time, energy, and hard work to a purpose that you believe in deeply.
She showed great dedication to the Hanoi Drama Theater by performing in many plays for years.
What does the term award mean when an artist receives recognition from the state or public?
An award is an honor or prize given to someone to celebrate their outstanding achievement or service.
In 2015, she was given a prestigious state award for her long contribution to screen and stage.
How can English learners use these practical vocabulary words in their everyday conversations at work or school?
You can use turning point when talking about choosing a new college major or accepting a new job.
For instance, moving to a new city was a huge turning point in my personal life last year.
You can also use the word hiatus when taking a short vacation or stepping away from social media.
I decided to take a 2-week hiatus from my phone to relax my mind and reduce daily stress.
That sounds like a very healthy decision that many people should try in modern digital life.
Now let us practice asking simple English questions about personal choices and changing your future career goals.
A simple question is, why did you decide to change your major when you were at university?
To answer that question, you can say, I changed my major because I discovered a new passion.
Another common question is, what was the most memorable moment in your whole career so far?
You can reply by saying, my most memorable moment was winning an important award last year.
Repeating these sample sentences aloud helps learners build confidence and improve their spoken English fluency rapidly.
Regular practice with clear audio lines is the best way to master new vocabulary and grammar patterns.
Let us review the story of Kiều Thanh once more to solidify all the key English details.
She was born in Hanoi in 1981 and dreamed of becoming a school teacher during her youth.
In 1999, taking the theater exam with her friends changed her goal and started her acting journey.
Her breakout role as Tra in 2001 made her a household name across television screens in Vietnam.
She later worked at the Hanoi Drama Theater while continuing to take part in many popular movies.
In 2015, she was honored as a meritorious artist for her significant contributions to Vietnamese culture.
After a long hiatus to care for her home life, she returned to television acting in 2019.
Her performance in Hoa Hong Tren Yuk Tri showed that her artistic passion never faded away.
Her life story teaches us that unexpected opportunities can often lead to extraordinary success and career growth.
It also shows that taking breaks is healthy and that you can always return to your passion.
Do you have a personal passion that you want to pursue with great energy and dedication?
Setting clear goals and practicing every day will help you achieve your personal dreams in life.
Thank you for listening to this bilingual English lesson about actress Kiều Thanh and useful vocabulary.
Remember to review the new words like debut, turning point, hiatus, iconic, and dedication every day.
Practice speaking these complete sentences with a friend to improve your English skills step by step.
Goodbye for now, and see you again in our next exciting bilingual English learning lesson.